How to delete a contact on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to delete a contact on WhatsApp. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch WhatsApp application on your device. Sign into your account. Proceed by tapping plus icon at bottom right to open new contacts. Now choose a contact which you want to delete and open that particular contact chat. Now you can easily select the info at top of your screen. Tap three dots at top right corner of your screen and here you can select view in address book option. When you scroll down you will see the option to delete. Select delete button and tap on delete and this contact will be removed from all your sync devices including WhatsApp as well, and it will be deleted from WhatsApp as well. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.